Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and easy tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to unsubscribe from Yahoo Plus in 2025. If you're tired of those recurring charges or just want to simplify your online subscriptions, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but I'll walk you through it step by step to make sure you don't miss a thing. Let's get started. First things first, you'll need to log into your Yahoo account. Open your web browser and head to the Yahoo homepage. Enter your email and password, then hit sign in. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, make sure to verify that as well. It's all about keeping your account secure. Once you're logged in, navigate to the account settings. Look for the Subscriptions or Billing section, usually found in the top right corner under your profile icon. Click on that, and it should pull up a list of your active services. Yahoo Plus might be listed there, especially if it's tied to your Yahoo Mail or other features. Now, find Yahoo Plus in your subscriptions list. Click on it to expand the details, and you should see an option that says something like Manage Subscription or Cancel. Select that, and follow the prompts. Yahoo might ask why you're unsubscribing. Feel free to choose an option or skip it if available. Then, confirm your cancellation. Double-check for any confirmation email or on-screen message to ensure it's processed. One quick tip. If you run into any issues, like the option not showing up, try clearing your browser cache or using a different device. Also, remember that unsubscribing might not stop charges immediately, so keep an eye on your bank statements for the next billing cycle. And there you have it. That's how you unsubscribe from Yahoo Plus in 2025. It only takes a few minutes, and you'll be free from those extra fees. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.